Hey y'all, JTSpeeds here. I'm back with another one. Let's go. Today on the show where I watch Police Pursuits. Like
boy, if you don't
damn. I'm destroying the audio within quickly. I'm doing it. So we got a police pursuit of a Ford Mustang. This is a pursuit by Arkansas State Police. Shout out to police pursuits. Shout out to police pursuits for the video. Original video will be in the description if you do not want to hear me being illiterate. Smash the like button if you gonna bear with me. This is gonna be a good one. That's the cops. That's the bad guy running. I got some donuts. I'm gonna clap it up for him and have a donut. This donut is like 3 days old at this point, so it's really gonna be comedy to see me eat it if the cops do catch the bad guy. So I see the Mustang. He's not pulling over. He must have a Cobra or some shit. Like, why you not stopping? Yeah, this is about to be a quick one. Wow. Wow. And that's a nice Mustang too. Nice paint on it.
show me your hand.
It's good to see those things running and on the road.
Put both hands out the vehicle. Show me both your hands, you will be shot. Is anyone else in the vehicle with you?
Why do they lie like they're gonna shoot you? Like, you're not gonna shoot me, bro. So he ran because he had a gram of weed. He ran because he had a gram of weed, boy.
Hey. What's going on, son? Nah, I'm finna go to jail. For what?
A gram of weed, boy. What away a gram of weed, boy?
There's a lot going on right now.
Why he look like it's funny on some shit?
Yeah, I did some stuff, but what you do? Huh? I ran from the police. When? Just from minutes ago. They just totaled my car out. They totaled your car out? Yes.
10-4-3-14.
He hit my car. He totaled my car out.
25-9-6. 10-4-3-14.
Where you at? I'm on the expressway. I'm almost to Memphis, but I'm trying to call my daddy, so I'm gonna call you right back. Okay. All right.
Damn, that's good. At least he have his phone. Make them calls real quick.
Fuck up in this car. I'm finna go to jail.
What you mean?
I'm in a police car right now. I'm finna go to jail. They just peed in my car. My car is total out. Like, my fucking car is tore up.
How you finna get, what the fuck happened?
Man, I knew that was...
You got your ID with you or is it in the car?
No, I don't have it on me.
It's gonna be in the car.
It probably, if not, I got my
I
driver's
think he trying to hide the phone.
If not, I know my number.
That subject 11 is out with, can you see if the county can contact Palestine, see if they had a problem with him over at the school?
Damn. He kind of accepted that fate, bro. Like, he's screwed. You feel me? Like, man. Wrong day, buddy. Wrong day. Feels bad. You know what I mean? I do not condone running from the police. You can see what happens when you do so. But anyways, let's clap it up for ASP. Can y'all get the video to like 2 likes since he got to make 2 calls? Let's get the video to 2 likes. Please, 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 y'all. 2 likes. Come on. Let's have this donut. Today I got a raspberry filled type beat. Still seems good. Probably a week old at that point, but I need to do more chases. So we'll be having more bites out of that. What type of power does that Mustang even have? $300 horses. I typed in 2005 to be generous, but that thing might be like a 2000 model. 260 horsepower. Bro, you're smoking 302 pound-feet of torque. Yeah, he was smoking some good weed. That was a gram of some good weed because it was no way he was going to get any good result of running. Maybe he thought since he was on his way to Memphis, he just wasn't going to stop. Who knows? Hey, free him, y'all. For real. And that was a nice ass Mustang. Nice blue on it. Blue is my favorite color. He could have did something else with that boy. Now your car going to the tow yard. You going to jail. But that's actually goated. Like, he got to have his phone and make them calls. It's not very likely you're going to be able to get your phone and make calls. Dog, the 0 to 60 is 6.5 seconds. I think the 4-cylinder Equinoxes is like just as fast as that. A V6 Camaro is faster than that. If you got the Rouse Stage 3 Mustang, you could reach 0 to 60 in 5.1 seconds. But that's honestly better than the cops because the cops' Hemis are slow, bro. Dog slow. Pursuit. So the Hemi one can either be 5.2 seconds to 6.1 seconds 0 to 60. And the V6 one is even slower at 7.92 seconds. All these things are slow. ASP needs to go get them a Camaro. Then they'll stop getting lost. But they got the donut this time. I honestly wanted to eat this one, so. Smash the like button, y'all. Let's get 2 likes. Please, 2 likes. Come on. Come on, bro. Turn on another chase. I got a full playlist of these chases. Mess with me, bro. I'm on the road. I'm trying to get 100 subs. So if you can smash the subscribe button, that would be much appreciated. It's JTSpeeds, and I'm out. Peace.
Bitch, I'm tired, niggas hating, I got racks, I got big guys in your bitch, she for the taking out a nigga, could replace